Hi guys, Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. It's Tuesday, isn't it? Because I was going to say I hope everybody had a good weekend. But I guess the weekend was over a couple days ago, wasn't it? Okay, alright. I'm getting back on track here. Tonight I just came down to do a pour. And, yeah, we're going to do another blowout, I think. I like to kind of try to recreate the one I did that looks like it's underwater. I was just asking myself in my mind, what's that white thing on the screen? It's the canvas. I thought something had popped up on the screen. Okay, so trying to remember what colors I used, and I did something with that canvas today that I will probably show you at the end if I remember. Guys, remind me, okay? Alrighty. I want to see, well, we know we used the white, and oh, I still haven't fixed this yet, have I? Probably not. It's probably going to spit out of here. Oh, hey, there we go. We must have gotten the loogie out of there. Hot diggity dang. Alrighties. Yay. We got white on here. Amsterdam titanium white. Yes. Next, we're going to do the apple barrel bright blue. Oh, that just made my night. That white coming out. Alrighty. Gonna do little petals around here. I know it will not come out the same, but that's okay. Nothing will ever come out the same. Not when I do it, at least. If you can figure out a way to do everything the same, please let me in on that. We're going to do the Artist Loft Turquoise. I think we're going to put some other colors in here too. Did I put purple into there? Good question. I'd go back and look, but it's way over yonder, way back behind me. We're going to put some apple barrel bright yellow into here. That's different, isn't it? Okay. We're going to see if this makes any cells, because it is apple barrel. And good. I didn't hit the paint on there. Yay. Gonna try just a smidgen of my mixture of apple barrel lilac mist. Actually, no, we're not. We're just gonna go ahead and use the lilac mist. Apple barrel lilac mist. Okay. And then we're going to use that navy blue I made. That thing is, dang it. I wish I'd had more of an exact measurement on what I used. Okay. Don't want to put too much of it on there. And we've got to go with the champagne, don't we? Of course we do. About time to make some of that up again, isn't it? Alright, just going to do some boobadoos of that. Do I want to hit it with the torch first? Because I do see bubbles. Let's do that. Nothing terribly flammable around. Okay. Things I could say. The things I could say. Okay. I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna be good tonight. Yeah, I am. Alright, and if you have anything in your ears, please take them out. I don't want to cause any deafening, because this blow dryer may get kind of loud for some people. Alrighty. Oh. And the chair, whoop. Chair was in the cord and I brought up and smacked my glasses. Okay. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh boy. What might burn me? What might burn me? Oh, my water bottle. Whoopsie-doo. I'm going to find that. Let's find that real fast. There it is. Excuse me. Excuse the chair. Excuse us all. Okay. All right. This could use a little bit more in places. Oh, we got some cells popping up here. So maybe it's only the bright blue that has the pretty cells. Dang it. That's kind of a bummer, isn't it? All right. We're going to do another little crossy over here. Yep. And here we go again. Here we go. That one here. There we go. Those could turn into something, that navy blue in there. Maybe you see something already. I don't. But you might. And the last one didn't. The boyfriend saw a cat without an ear. I said, oh, maybe the cat was angry. Had its ear down. Oh. Yep. Alrighty. We're not going to do any glitter on here, I don't think. Let's run that torch over it, though. Just to see if anything goes poof. Dang, I got a hair in my mouth. Drives me nuts. Oh, and it was a penny hair. Well, we're okay with dog hair. Dog hair, cat hair, I don't mind. Human hair, you. Yucky. No, thank you. Even if it's my own. I'm like, gag. Gag. Throw the food out. Okay. Alrighty, we're going to bring it down for a close-up. That's right. But first, I need you to put on those helmets and seat belts. That is very important. Very, very. Alright, hopefully you got them on, because we're going to go quick here. Ready. Set. Here we go. Okay, that's not looking bad. I'm glad I put that yellow in there. That makes it kind of, it gives it a nice little tingling. Oh, I see a snaky. Do you see it? It's a very small snake. It could just be a worm. This looks kind of like a Halloween is coming. Oh, don't I wish it was that time of the year. Okay, guys. I'm going to hang you back up here. And you know what I see on here? I see a dang hair of mine. Of mine. Okay, hang you back up. Hopefully when I flicked whatever was in my mouth, it just didn't go. No, I mean, it may have. Tweezers, thank you. Alright, nothing fall, please, thank you. Sorry, I got the wheezies. Kind of damp down here. Just a wee bit. Let's see if we can get this. Boom. I don't know if I got it or not, guys. I do not know. Oh, there's a little bit of stuff coming up here and there. Dang. This wheezing is not doing me any good on camera. Alright, let me show you what I did earlier today. One moment. It's going to take me a second. I might curse a couple times. You never know. Alright, I'm on my way back. Yay, no cursing. Awesome. This is what I was trying to recreate, kind of. And I put a stencil on there. So, if anybody wants to buy anything they see that I've made, please drop it down in the comments. Also, my email is down there if you're interested in anything. I sell things at a cheap price, I think. I saw one today. Yesterday, somebody was selling a, I'm sorry to say, god-awful paint pour for $1,000. I'm like, lady, are you nuts? Oh my gracious. Oh, goodness. Art is in the eye of the beholder, but oh my goodness gracious. All right, enough of my complaints tonight. I hope you all have a wonderful week ahead. Stay safe, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications. And we will see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys.